In today's video, I'm going to teach you using Anaconda for Python development. By the end, you'll have Anaconda installed, an isolated environment ready for your projects, and the tools open to start writing code right away. Anaconda bundles Python with a package manager and popular tools, making it a great choice whether you're new to Python or managing multiple projects. First, head to the official Anaconda download page. Choose the installer that matches your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux, and pick the most recent stable Python version offered. On macOS, be sure to select the correct build for your processor type. Download from the official site to ensure you're getting a safe, verified installer. Next, run the installer you just downloaded, follow the on-screen prompts, accept the license, and keep the default install location unless you have a specific reason to change it. The installer may take a few minutes as it sets up Python and core scientific libraries. When in doubt, stick with the default recommendations. They're designed to work well for most users. During setup, it's generally best to install for just me and avoid adding Anaconda to your system path manually. Selecting just me keeps the installation scoped to your user account, which simplifies permissions. Skipping the path change helps prevent conflicts if you already have another Python on your machine. When you want to use Anaconda from a terminal later, you can launch the Anaconda prompt on Windows or use the Anaconda initialized shell on macOS and Linux without modifying your system path. Once installation completes, open Anaconda Navigator from your Applications menu or Start menu. Navigator is a friendly graphical control center that helps you manage environments, launch tools, and keep things organized without memorizing terminal commands. If you see a prompt to update Navigator, you can accept it to get the latest fixes and features. In Navigator, go to the Environments tab and click Create to set up a fresh project space. Give the environment a clear name and choose the exact Python version you want. Environments isolate packages per project, which prevents version clashes and makes your work reproducible. After you click Create, Anaconda will resolve and install the required packages. This may take a moment. With your environment ready, return to the Home tab. From here, launch Jupyter Notebook or Spider directly. If you see an environment selector, choose the one you just created so your tools run with the correct Python. In Jupyter, create a new notebook and run a quick print statement to confirm everything works. In Spider, start a new file, write a few lines, and hit run. That's it. Your Anaconda setup is ready for Python development.